Hello everyone. Once again, welcome in my English session. Today we are going to see a very nice and interesting poem. It is also very short and easy to learn. So the name of the poem is Recess. RECESS. It means the break between school classes. Okay, as per your school timetable, your break may be after 2 lecture or 3 lecture. And what you are doing in the short period, what you are doing in the break time, all of you? You may be playing, okay, laughing, jumping, running from here to there. So, likewise, we are going to see now what these children they are doing in the break time. So, let us start with the poem. Girls and boys make lots of noise and run and jump and laugh and shout, while here and there, with quiet air, groups of children walk about. So, in the poem, during the recess time, girls and boys, what they are doing? They are making lots of noise. Noise means what? आवाज करना, शोर करना. Okay. And what they are doing more? They are run and jump and laugh and shout. They are running from here to there. They are jumping, laughing, and even they are shouting also. Okay. With quiet air, groups of children walk about. Okay. Some students, what they are doing? They are making groups. Okay. They are making groups and they are walking from here to there in a quiet air. Quiet air means what? With quiet air means looking very quietly. Means they are very quiet. मतलब बहुत चुप होते हैं और सिर्फ वो क्या करते हैं? यहाँ से वहाँ पे क्या करते हैं? सिर्फ घूमते रहते हैं. They are walking. Okay. So this is about your first stanza. Till here. Okay. Like in lessons we are watching paragraphs. So paragraph कहाँ पे होते हैं? Lesson में. But poem में क्या होता है? Stanzas होते हैं. ठीक है. Now we are going to see next stanza. A game begins but no one wins, although they play with might and main. Okay. What happened? In the break time, some students, okay, they started for playing the games. A games begins. Begins means what? Start होना, शुरू हो जाना. Games क्या हो गए? Start हो गए. But no one wins. Wins means जीतना. कोई भी नहीं जीता. Why? Because see all of you, although they play with might and main. Might and main means what? With might and main. This is also, we can say it is phrase. Means with all the power, with all the strength. सभी ने बहुत ताकत लगाकर खेला, बहुत पावर से खेला, but no one wins. But कोई भी नहीं जीता. Why? Because for long before the game is over, the bell rings out for school again. But what happened, all of you? As they started to play the games, what happened? The bell rings. Okay, means for long before. Means the game can get over. मीन्स वो ज़्यादा देर तक के गेम नहीं चला. फॉर लॉन्ग बिफोर गेम ज़्यादा देर तक के नहीं चला. द गेम इज ओवर. OER. इट इज अ शॉर्ट फॉर्म ऑफ ओवर. यू कैन सी मीनिंग ओवर हियर. ओवर OVER मीन्स खत्म हो जाना. गेम तो शुरू हो चुका था लेकिन कोई भी नहीं जीता. ओके. सबने अपनी ताकत से खेला था, सबने अपने पावर से खेला था. बट नो वन विन्स. वाई? बिकॉज द गेम इज नॉट लास्टेड फॉर लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. ओके ना. ब्रेक जो होता है वो बहुत ही शॉर्ट होता है. एंड द ब्रेक, द प्रॉपर यूज ऑफ ब्रेक फॉर व्हाट पर्पज, ऑल ऑफ यू? ब्रेक इज देयर for drinking water, for going for washroom. So that is why break is very short and the game is over very soon, and that is why no one wins. The bell ring out for school again, and once again what happened? The bell rings. और bell क्या हो जाती है? बज जाती है. किसके लिए? वापस से स्कूल स्टार्ट होने के लिए. So this is our very short and sweet poem. So my dear student, today one more thing we are going to learn from this poem. Okay? Today I am going to explain you about the term rhyming words. Okay, now what is mean by rhyming words, all of you? So rhyming words means what? Words which have similar ending. Okay, similar sound, ending sound, it is similar. That is called rhyming words. For example, and it is very easy, all of you, to find out what you want to do exactly. You want to find this rhyming word at the end of each line. Okay, now let us start with the first line. Boys. Boys. And in the next line, what is the word, all of you? Noise. If you will listen very properly, you will come to know very easily boys and noise. See, both is having similar ending sound. So, the boys and noise, okay, they are rhymed to each other. Okay. Now, in the next line we'll go shout. Now, here if you will see, the word is there. But if you will listen properly, is it the rhyming word? No. Correct? No. Here the sound is shout, out, and here there. So we'll go to the next line. Here it is air. Okay. And here it is about. So if you will see, shout, about. So shout is the rhyming word is of about. Okay. Now this both is over. Now these both words are remaining. So if you will listen, there and air. So these both are rhymed to each other. So likewise we'll get the rhyming words. Boys, noise, shout, out, there, air. Now this is about your first stanza. Let us comes toward the second stanza. Begins, wins. Is it the rhyming word? Both are rhymed to each other? Yes, both are rhymed to each other. Now see next one. Main, before. Okay, main and before. Obviously they are not the rhyme to each other. Now we'll see next one. Over and again. So if you will see, main and again, these two are rhymed to each other. And before and over, these two are to each other. Okay, so the rhyming words of second stanza, from second stanza we got begins, wins, main, again, before, over. Okay, and the way, now you will tell teacher how to write down. How is the way to write? So you can write likewise. See all of you. Boys, noise. Then here you can give comma and you can write down next word. Okay. For example, what is the next one, all of you? For me here place is not there. So I am writing here downside. Shout, about, comma, there, air. So likewise you can write the rhyming words. Okay, I hope so that whatever today I explained you about the poem also and about the rhyming words also, how to find out the rhyming words from the poem, I hope that you must have understood very properly. For any query, for any problem, you can contact me personally, no problem. Very soon, once again, we will meet in my new session. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.